Today is National Fire Alarm Day, so I thought I'd celebrate by pulling out my old BOSCH D7024 fire alarm control panel and wiring it up and making a cool little system today. So that's what we're going to see. This fire alarm control panel was once installed in a real building down in Florida, and it lived an entire life providing life safety for the building and the occupants inside. So today I powered it back on for the first time in a long time, and we're going to give it a test. Wired to it, I have this pull station. This is an RSG RMS-1T, and yes, this pull station was also original to the building. So this pull station was wired to this control panel when it was installed back in its day. Going over, the building did have Gentex commanders, but these aren't original. These are commanders from my own collection. This right here is a Gentex GEC3-24WR, and it's a Gentex Commander 3. It is set on 2400 Hertz and 15 candela. If we go to the left, we have a Gentex Commander 1. This was the original Gentex Commander. As you can see, it looks a little older. And its model is HS24-30WR. It's got a fixed 30 candela strobe. And this was actually made on October 23, 2001. So it's 19 years old. Going left one more time, we have another Gentex Commander 3. The model is GECR24WR, and it's set on chime, and this was made in 2016. And this one over here was also made in 2016. So they're all wired, and when I pull the fire alarm, these will all go off, and they will be coded by the fire alarm control panel. So to celebrate National Fire Alarm Day, we're going to bring this old system that used to protect a real building back to life. And we're going to do that by pulling it. In 3, 2, 1. As you can see, the alarm is now silenced. And for these Gentex devices, it does offer synced audible silence. And this is in 2-wire operation. I think it's cool to see all those strobes flash at the exact same time. So now that the system is silenced, we can go ahead and reset this pull station. It uses a hex key. Pull station is now reset, and we can reset the entire fire alarm control panel. Let's activate this system one more time by using its fire drill button. Gotta love the fire drill button. Alright, here we go. And the system is reset. There we go. Well everyone, happy National Fire Alarm Day. Thank you for watching. Rate, comment, and subscribe. And have a great day.